Ready to go on vacation? Me too. I'm going to be showing you how. So instead of taking that loan from Amazon, you're instead going to log into the desktop, go into account info right here, click account info. It's going to take you here, show you all your information, but you're going to click on vacation settings. Go ahead and click that right there. And then now you're going to pretty much set your info as inactive. So click edit. Whatever marketplace you want to say you're on vacation, you're going to turn them on vacation, and then you are good to go. After you click this, click save. I would wait 24 hours, come back, refresh, and make sure it actually still is on vacation mode, because you know Amazon. You're going to come in, oops, it's not on vacation mode. Now this only stops FBM orders. FBA, Amazon's got them at their warehouse. They're not stopping for anybody. They're going to keep sending them. And you still have to handle your customer service, your basic operations, unfortunately. But that being said, it is a great way to pretty much protect your listings. And if you did delete your listings, which you wouldn't do, but if you did delete them and put it on vacation mode, that's a sure way to make sure that you don't get suspended, don't get in trouble. It's kind of putting like a pause on your account when your listings are deleted or when you're FBM. So definitely check out about the listing status for vacation, holidays, and other absences, and learn more about Fulfilled by Amazon so that you can see, right? That's going to be it on how to enable it. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.